Another great article for the history books. This article dated July 16th, 2023 at realrawnews.com entitled 19,000 Doctors Indicted for COVID Crimes. The next time you need an annual physical, you may have to schedule an appointment with the receptionist at Guantanamo Bay. There are approximately 1 million practicing physicians in the United States, and the United States Navy Judge Advocate General's Corps is holding sealed indictments on about 19,000 of them. General physicians, specialists, surgeons, emergency room and urgent care staff. A JAG source familiar with the indictments told Real Raw News that the indicted doctors took part in an unethical and unlawful partnership with the CDC and NIH during the COVID pandemic. The CDC-NIH incentivized the offending physicians to coerce patients to get vaxxed, even if the patients remonstrated against the potentially lethal jab. Health professionals were encouraged to do everything short of physically striking a patient to win their compliance. Tactics included berating the elderly and telling pregnant women that unvaccinated mothers-to-be were jeopardizing the lives of unborn children. The CDC-NIH also encouraged physicians to threaten to divorce their patients unwilling to get vaxxed, and to tell patients their names would be added to a refused vaccination blacklist. Many patients were denied life-saving treatments and medications. Physicians were told that they had medical responsibility to participate, lest they appear on a different list, naming them pariahs in the medical community. Our source said that JAG learned of the list from an unnamed CDC official currently detained at Camp Blaze in Guam. He could remotely access a list of doctors that, coerced or not, went along with the scamdemic. It had names of practices and dates. I can say that we questioned and later arrested 5 doctors on that list. They confessed to taking CDC instructions. If 5 of 5 random docs in different parts of the country are guilty, then the list is likely accurate, our source said. He added the current list is not all-inclusive. He claims or says he believes the CDC has other lists he could not access, lists that, he says, have upwards of 100,000 doctors and nurses' names on them. Hopefully, future CDC arrests will lead us to those lists, if they really exist, our source said. In the meantime, he added, JAG authored preliminary indictments on the 19,000. However, due to the overwhelming number of outstanding indictments in JAG's hands, there is no fixed schedule for when the 19,000 will face justice. We're working faster than one might think, but there's a hell of a lot of people that need to be put in jail or hanged, he said. That concludes this article at realrawnews.com.